Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain what to do if you hit a villager. First, quickly assess the situation and observe the villager's reaction. Was it an accidental bump or a deliberate strike? Understanding this helps determine your next steps. Villagers might become hostile or raise their prices if provoked. It's crucial to act swiftly to mitigate any negative repercussions and maintain a good standing within the village community. This initial assessment takes only a few seconds. Hitting a villager has immediate consequences for your reputation. Your popularity score can drop by 2 points, making interactions more difficult. Be aware that nearby iron golems will likely turn hostile and attack you, posing a serious threat. Furthermore, villagers might increase their trade prices by up to 25%, making resources more expensive. These negative effects can persist for several in-game days, impacting your gameplay experience. To restore your popularity, there are several effective methods. Trading with villagers is a consistent way to slowly improve your standing over time. A more significant boost comes from defeating a raid, which grants you 10 popularity points immediately. Additionally, saving a villager from a zombie attack will earn you 1 popularity point. These actions help mend your relationship with the village and reduce trade price increases, making your interactions much smoother. To prevent accidentally hitting villagers in the future, always be mindful of your surroundings. Avoid swinging weapons or tools carelessly, especially in crowded village areas. Consider using non-damaging interactions, like right-clicking to trade rather than left-clicking. Maintaining a safe distance and being deliberate with your actions will help you avoid negative consequences. A little caution goes a long way in keeping your village relationships positive and your trades fair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.